In this tutorial I'm going to show about the group policy in Windows 7 or in Windows operating system. So basically we are taking the example of group policy on Windows 7 and lots of new features added in the new machines, new operating system which is Windows 7 and later which is Windows 8, but the the concept and the important group policies has been taken from XP machines later in the earlier version of operating system into the later version of operating system, and new group policies are added. So let me at search button, if you say group, and at the search option group written, you will find the local group policy editor. And it's very unique thing about Windows 7 is you can play with all day long. Search about group policies. When we see computer configuration, software settings, Windows settings, and administrative templates, select that and you will find the control panel option. Now you can even hide control panel. We will do such steps when we do such practices on server 2008, and it will be very interesting to work on at that time. But at the client computer you find the couple of options there. You find the options of network. You see not that important ones, but printers. Yes, you can define some rules of printers. For example, web-based printing at print browsing. In the last video we only configure about internet printing, so lots of options there. For example, remote assistance, allow only Vista layer connections, and won't allow XP machines or earlier versions of operating system, or offer remote assistance. So actually the rules are created, just you need to twist those rules by disabling those rules or enabling those rules. You have to just twist previous settings. For example, the group policies are already configured, you have to make the changes. So and more and more options are there. Is too many options. It's all about operating system. You can see the Windows components, backup related options, allow only system backup, for instance C drive, so that it won't allow you to choose options of backup. For example, if user only wants to took a backup of D drive, E drive, and not C drive, it won't allow. So next setting, previous setting, it will keep on popping out new options. You can see there 5 options in the set. Now configure if it wants to. You can even disable this rules. So lots of interesting things are available. You create filter on, filter options. I don't know, a filter. So you can even filter the options. It's too many options, so one get confused what are those options are. And backup, so preventing backup from optical drive, preventing backup to local disk. So sometimes people gets so you can even uncheck this filter option. So sometimes people tries to store data by creating a backup local disk in the office computer. So you can protect that by giving this option. Yeah, client label settings. Even backing on the optical media like CD, DVD won't allow. BitLocker related option. Sometimes user lock the drive, so to protect those, uh, it won't allow. Actually, thing is that sometimes people thinks about the uh, believe on 2-3 users, but users won't help. Standard user, administrator user, basically standard user can anytime change the settings to and goes to administrator. Then in that case it will so currently I just turn off desktop gadgets, and I think that desktop gadgets won't allow. You can see desktop gadgets are managed by a system administrator. For so that moment, if administrator user try to start playing the computer, so group policy management is actually allow real admin to make changes in the system so that even other admin of the client computer will not able to play the computer and use it sensibly. So allow only system backups. This is what lots of options are in there. You can see Internet Explorer and other too many. I mean, many won't be known to. You can turn off games updates. You can turn off the downloading game information. It's by default. For example, if we prevent IS installation, so you can see supported on Windows Server 2003 only, not on 7. So this is what I'm talking about. That these things, uh, these updates are from previous version of operating systems. Also, lots of stuffs are there which is only work and useful on earlier version of operating systems only. So it's not won't help. It won't run in 7 computers. Too many options. You can see Windows Mail related options. So must be related on Windows Vista. And you can see Windows Explorer page option. Too many stops. You can play those with those stops, and it's really cool thing. MMC, for example, you can even add this as a snapping and at MMC, so that one needs to uh, create find the option of group policy. Just add snapping local computer, and you can save this console to either your desktop. The option is same. Save this console at any other place, so at one touch, one click, you're able to get these options very quickly. So this is where the group policy is all about, and it's very unique thing about Windows, and you can play these stuffs. Uh, Once done, it's appreciating if some big features are enabled, disabled. You have to make a changes called GPE update /force. So it will update the policy forcefully, and this command must needs if you made too many changes on group policy. Hope you learned something about the group policy. Thanks for watching.